In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best all-season tires in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best all-season tires on Amazon in 2026. Number 1, Pirelli Cinturato Weather Active All-Weather 235/40 or 1996 WXL Passenger Tire, 3 PMSF Certified, Long Tread Life, Superior Wet and Snow Grip, Quiet Touring Performance. All-weather performance designed for year-round driving with enhanced grip in dry, wet, and light snow conditions. 3 PMSF Certified meets severe snow service standards for improved winter traction. Directional V-tread design boosts hydroplaning resistance and wet braking performance. Advanced polymer compound delivers consistent performance across a wide temperature range. Long tread life up to 60,000-mile warranty for extended durability. Quiet and comfortable ride. Optimized tread pattern reduces road noise and vibrations. XL load rating reinforced construction for added strength and stability. Experience confident driving in every season with the Pirelli Cinturato. Weather Active 235/40 or 1996 WXL. Engineered as a premium all-weather touring tire, it combines the versatility of all-season performance with enhanced winter capability, making it an ideal choice for drivers who want a single-tire solution year-round. Its innovative polymer resin compound adapts to changing temperatures, delivering reliable grip whether you're driving on hot summer roads or cold winter surfaces. The directional V-shaped tread pattern and advanced groove design work together to efficiently channel water away, improving wet handling and reducing the risk of hydroplaning for winter driving. Deep sipes and multiple biting edges provide enhanced traction on snow-covered roads, earning the tire the 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake 3 PMSF certification. At the same time, the optimized footprint and reinforced structure ensure excellent stability, smooth handling, and long-lasting wear. Number 2, Michelin CrossClimate2 All-Season Tire 235/55 or 19/XL105V, 3 PMSF Certified, Long-Lasting Performance, Superior Wet and Snow Traction, Quiet Touring Ride. All-weather performance, reliable traction in dry, wet, and snow conditions for year-round driving. 3 PMSF Snow Certified meets severe snow service standards for enhanced winter grip. Superior braking stops shorter on wet and dry roads compared to leading competitors. Long tread life designed to last significantly longer than many competing tires. V-formation tread design improves water evacuation and traction in all seasons. Quiet and comfortable ride. Noise-reducing tread technology enhances driving comfort. XL load rating reinforced construction for added durability and stability. The Michelin CrossClimate2 235/55 or 19/XL105V is a premium all-season tire engineered to deliver confident performance in every climate. Built with Michelin's advanced thermal adaptive compound, it maintains excellent grip across a wide range of temperatures, making it ideal for both summer heat and winter conditions. Its distinctive V-shaped directional tread pattern enhances traction on wet and snowy roads while efficiently channeling water away to reduce hydroplaning. Even as the tire wears, it continues to provide strong braking performance and dependable handling, setting it apart from traditional all-season tires. With 3-Peak Mountain Snowflake 3 PMSF certification, this tire is built to handle light to moderate winter conditions, offering a true all-weather solution. Combined with long-lasting tread life and a quiet, comfortable ride, the CrossClimate2 is perfect for drivers who want safety, durability, and convenience without switching tires seasonally. Number 3, Bridgestone Turanza 6 All-Season 225/40 or 1993 YXL Passenger Tire, Enlightened Technology, Premium Touring Comfort, Enhanced Wet Grip, Fuel-Efficient Performance. All-season touring performance designed for smooth, stable driving in dry, wet, and light winter conditions. Enlightened Technology improves fuel efficiency and reduces environmental impact while maintaining strong performance. Enhanced Wet Grip, advanced polymer compound and tread design improve traction and water evacuation. 3D sipes and shoulder design boosts handling stability and braking performance in varying road conditions. Quiet and comfortable ride. Optimized tread reduces road noise and enhances driving comfort. XL load rating reinforced structure for added durability and higher load capacity. The Bridgestone Turanza 6 225/40 or 1993 YXL is a premium touring tire designed for comfort, efficiency, and reliable all-season performance. Its advanced tread design improves wet grip and stability, while Enlightened Technology helps reduce fuel consumption. Ideal for daily driving, it delivers a quiet and smooth ride with long-lasting durability. Number 4 Michelin CrossClimate2 235/55 or 1799H all-season tire. 3 PMSF certified, long-lasting, superior wet and snow grip, quiet touring performance. All-season performance with strong grip in dry, wet, and snow. 3 PMSF certified for severe winter traction. V-shaped tread designed for better water evacuation. Long tread life with 60,000 mile warranty. Quiet and comfortable ride for daily driving. The Michelin CrossClimate2 235/55 or 1799H is a premium touring tire designed for reliable year-round performance. Its advanced compound and directional tread pattern provide excellent traction on wet and snowy roads while maintaining comfort and durability. Built to last with strong tread wear and consistent performance over time, it's an ideal choice for drivers who want a single tire solution for all seasons without sacrificing safety or ride quality. Number 5 Goodyear Assurance MaxLife 235/55 or 20 all-season radial tire. Longest tread life, durable performance, reliable wet traction, comfortable ride. All-season performance designed for dependable traction in dry and wet conditions. Long tread life up to 85,000 mile warranty for extended durability. Tread life technology enhances wear resistance and long-term performance. Enhanced wet grip. Deep grooves help channel water and reduce hydroplaning. Comfortable ride. Smooth, quiet driving experience. 4 daily commuting. Fuel-efficient design. Optimized construction helps reduce rolling resistance. The Goodyear Assurance MaxLife 235/55 or 20 is built for drivers who prioritize long-lasting performance and everyday reliability. Featuring advanced tread life technology, it delivers exceptional tread wear, making it one of Goodyear's longest-lasting tires. Its optimized tread pattern and deep grooves improve wet traction by efficiently channeling water away, while the durable compound ensures consistent performance over thousands of miles. Designed for comfort and efficiency, this tire offers a quiet, smooth ride, making it an excellent choice for daily commuting and long